Oh man, that's a sweet ride there. I tell you, I like that Mercedes. I wonder what kind of Mercedes that is. That's a pretty sweet vehicle here, man. I tell you, SL 500. Well, anyway, guys, today I got a good treat for you guys. I got a nice surprise. I'm about to go and do this car review, but I'm not going to tell you the car review yet. I'm not going to tell you the car review until I get there. But hey, if you guys are new to the channel, you are watching Classic Chevy with CJ the Cigar Man, and I'm back with another video. So we're gonna get into this video, and I'm gonna cut you guys back on once I get there. Hope you guys have enjoyed all the videos. I've been getting some great responses from my videos I just started maybe 3 weeks ago on YouTube, and I'm just so excited to continue bringing and dropping great content and videos for you guys. So stay tuned, and I'll cut you back on. It'll probably take me about 5 minutes to get there, and I'll catch you guys soon as I get to my location. It's a undisclosed location, and I don't want to give it away, but hang in there, and I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. All right, guys, I'm over at my partner's house. This is old Paul Boer. I've been knowing him for years, man. He got this sweet little ride I want to show you guys. I didn't want to tell you until I got over here what it was, but he restored this from ground up, from ground zero, I like to call, and it is a 1956 Chevy Bel Air, man. Check her out. Now I'll let Paul in a minute. I'm gonna let Paul tell you guys a story about this vehicle here. Walk around. I love this car, man. I tell you. And Paul, he restored this thing right in this garage, didn't you? Yeah.
I was working at Bristol Compressors when I started on it, so I was working 12-hour shifts, you know, and I'd have to work extra shifts to get car money. That's why it took 10 years of working all the time to get money. And shut this, leave it open.
Yeah, shut it so I can walk around it real quick. I mean, she's nice, boy. Man, that's like an off-white. That's a cream color, ain't it? It's not really white, is it?
Yeah, it's a white, really. That's Victory Red, the same thing that's on. I guess it was around 2000 or so when I got the paint. I'm not sure about that year, but it's the same red. It was on a new Chevrolet at that time. It's called Victory Red, and it's the same white that was on the Chevrolet during that time frame.
Wow. 10 years. Actually,
yeah.
Now, is this the one with the gas cap in the back of the headlight?
Yeah, tail light. Yeah.
Tail light?
Tail light. Phoenix, shut up.
Let's open it.
A little dirty in there. Got some clutter.
Everything is richer in here too?
Yeah. It's actually a 56 Bel Air convertible.
Okay.
Upholstery design for the seats. Okay. It's got I did it tilt column in it, and it's got vintage air. It's got
now, who did your upholstery for you?
All name I know the dude by is Reb. A guy I worked with introduced me to him, and all I ever heard him call was Reb. He's up toward Damascus there. You start at 58 and take a left up there toward, like he's going to the landfill.
Yeah.
He lived out there. I took him all the components and stuff, and he covered them, and I put them back in. It's straight. I did all the body work myself.
Where did you find this car originally?
I found it in St. Paul, Virginia, over on a little car lot named Bill's Car Lot, right across from that big Chevy dealership there in St. Paul.
Now, actually, I think you showed me some pictures of it when you was working on it.
I've got the book here.
Wow, she's tight, man.
I wish I knew you was coming. I'd clean the thing up a little bit.
She's clean? Yeah, she's straight. She is good. Let's get a picture of that. See here.
Found me a set of 56 tags for it.
Oh yeah.
Flea market over in Hillsville.
Let's see how that hood looking underneath there. 56. So which ones was the 50 what's the difference between the 56? I know a lot of people say 57 Chevy and stuff. What's the difference between the body size, do you know?
Well, there's quite a bit of difference between the 56 and the 55 and the 56 are pretty close. The 57, you know, it has the double airplanes on the hood, has one on each side. It has a lot more chrome. It has the big fins on the back, the 57 does.
So I know you was telling me this is a 350.
Yeah.
Right. You didn't chrome this baby out, did you?
This here is called a Vintage Air Front Runner. And I've got a Vintage Air Monster fan. And
okay.
I got you can set your thermostat to come in and out. If you start heating up in traffic, you can take care of that right there.
Yeah, actually, you showed me that one for mine, and actually when it got the same one.
Yeah, it's got Holley aluminum heads on it, 202 valves, roller cam, roller rockers, roller lifters.
You got AC in this thing?
Oh yeah, Vintage Air.
Oh, that's right. I did see the Vintage Air in there.
And it's hooked to the original 56 Chevrolet gauges. They
make with the Vintage Air?
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome. I like it. Hopefully everybody on the channel will appreciate it. I like, you know, we like these old Chevrolets and stuff. And that's the back, that's her rear end here.
That V on that trunk, that's how you knew these cars were come out with a V8.
Oh, okay.
It looked, yeah.
I didn't know that.
Anytime you see the 55, 56, 57, 58 too, 59, like this V right here, that's the indication it's a V8 car.
Now, did you have to get all that re-chrome?
I actually just bought it new. I bought it aftermarket. It's all aftermarket. Now, a lot of people don't know it, Chris, but a 55, 56, 57, all this chrome that you see down the side, and all the stuff that you see around the cab of the car, that's not chrome. That's stainless steel. That's the original stainless steel that come on this 1956 Chevrolet when it was born.
So that's the original trim?
It's just got hundreds of hours of polishing on a buffer.
Did you do that?
I did. Hey, you're talking about...
It looks like chrome though.
This piece right here, if it's got big scratches in it, you're talking 2 or 3 days on that piece.
And you got those scratches out?
Yeah. Thank God it, you know, but for the most part, none of it wasn't too bad. But yeah, all this, everything around the windshield is stainless steel.
What about the inside? Same thing, same way?
No. Well, I'm wrong. All the stuff around the top up there, let me roll the screen this one. All the stuff around the inside, up there and around there. The top of the window is not, but no, that's my bad. Yes, it is. All that is stainless as well, and it's been polished by Mr. Boer. Boer's polishing. The stuff on the dash is just chrome, and I just replaced all it with new aftermarket stuff.
Right.
Because the original stuff, you know, 64 years old, same as me, is in pretty bad shape, just like me. I guess I ain't bad shape for the shape of me.
Man, no, you're in good shape. Yeah, better shape than I am.
Shit.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video with me today. I know I have. I'm just astonished about this vehicle, this 56. It's just a beautiful vehicle. They just don't make vehicles like this no more, guys. You know, we love Chevys. And this right here, I think, started the big muscle boom. Hey, wouldn't you think the 56s and all that started the big muscle car boom, didn't it?
Sure did.
You know, and for you to get a vehicle and restore it like this, guys, this is the type of stuff that I will try my best to, you know, have good content and put it on my channel. You know, it's not every day that you come across something like this, guys. And one of my friends built this vehicle, and he did it from scratch. He didn't have any help. He did it in his garage. Now, he did have someone paint it for him and stuff like that. But with a paint job like this, you know, this is an immaculate paint job, guys. And this is what, you know, hopefully I better find more vehicles like this and do some cool videos, guys. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment below. You know, you like this 56 Bel Air or Paul's? I want a lot of comments, guys. I want a lot of comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. So he's gonna get in it real quick, and he's gonna start it up for me. Got the dualies on there. You sound thirsty. Man, you should be proud of this thing here, man. I know you are.
See what, get a picture of what the thing looked like the day I bought it.
Hey guys, so like I said, we're over here at Paul's place. He's we finished looking at the 56 Bel Air, and she's a beauty, man. He's restored this from ground up, and maybe I can get some photos or some pictures of it when he first got it. And that way we can put it in the video and everything, guys. But thank Paul for letting me come over here and get a quick shot of his ride there. That's awesome. I maybe have this for a screenshot. So, hey, I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me this evening. And like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them.